Greetings everybody, Ben Beecher here with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our page to keep up to date on all of our newest inventory. Today, I'll be taking you through 2019 Sea Ray 250 SDX. As you take a look at the side here, you see the beautiful metallic blue with the white hull is truly sharp on this boat. Also, as you walk around to the back, you'll see the gray sea deck on the swim platform. You have your ladder on the side here, Ocean Pro LED underwater lights, as well as a flip down seat when you're coving out your favorite lake locations. One of the greatest things about the 250 SDX is the amount of storage they have throughout the boat. Back here, you have storage underneath the seat, as well as a draining storage compartment right in the back. You're coving out, flip this seat forward, you have a nice size lounger back here with extra places to plug in your phone and charge your device. Also back here, you have fusion controls, so you can control your stereo from back here. All right, as we walk into the cockpit here, you're gonna notice a couple things about the cockpit. First thing, both of these seats will flip over, face backward, if you want to look back while you're coving out. Also underneath the seat here is dedicated cooler storage. One of two dedicated cooler storages here on the 250 SDX. Also, you have nice deep storage underneath this seat where you have the cover of the boat and a couple of legs for the tables. Tables are going to be located in the in-floor storage. You have two tables, one forward there, and your teak one back here. All right, back here, you notice we have a plug-in. This will be for your battery charger. Also, you have a release right here. Opens up to the engine room. See a nice access to your engine room here. 300 horsepower Mercruiser motor. Give you plenty of power for a day out on the water. As you get up to the Helm Station here, you're going to notice you have your Simrad digital dash, which features your GPS as well as all your instrumentation. You also have your Fusion touchscreen stereo control. You can actually download the app on your phone to control this not just from here but also from your phone. One of my favorite features of the 250 SDX is this large head compartment. You can use this as storage. You can use it as the bathroom, or you can put this down, use it as a place to relax. There's no other 25-foot boat on the market with a cabin size with this great a space. A couple more things before we go forward to the bow of the boat I wanted to point out. The white sport tower here with built-in bimini, and also these Fusion speakers. These speakers can provide plenty of sound while you're doing water sports out the back of the boat. As we walk forward to the bow section of the boat, we'll take a look at this great seating space. You have maximum seating space up in the front, and also another dedicated cooler storage here. You also have a post, you can put your table up here, so you can have a table and plenty of cup holders. This also features the bow filler cushions that fill this whole front end in here, so you make this a nice big lounging area. Up here, you have a ladder so you can board the boat from the front or back, as well as a freshwater washdown station. Once again, thank you for taking the time with me today to go through the 2019 Sea Ray 250 SDX. If you have any questions, my name is Ben Beecher, MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks, or find us online at MarineMax.com.